In Excel, it is sometimes necessary to try and determine how we can achieve a certain number by making changes to some underlying inputs. So for example, if we run this business and we need to achieve a gross profit of 250, what would the sales price have to go to achieve that? So you could do it manually, so I'll click in there and go 11.25. Okay, it's moved up, but not enough. So we could do it manually, or we could do it automatically. To achieve that, we'll click in this gross profit cell, and under data, you'll see we've got an option called what if analysis, and there's something called goal seek. When I click on it, what it's asking for is where is the cell we're going to set. So I'm just going to click over here and say that's the cell. Excel now wants to know what value do you want that cell to become. So I'm going to put 250. And then it needs to know what is it allowed to change in this spreadsheet, either on this sheet or on another sheet, to achieve that. So I'm going to say you can change the selling price. When I say OK, you'll see it runs through. It says, I think I found a solution. I'm going to keep it, say OK. And it has determined that this number here will give me the answer I want. Let's say that we take this to our manager and they say, no ways, we never can sell this product for that much. The most we can do is, I don't know, 11 Rand 50, for example. We haven't achieved our budget, but we still have to reach 250. So we can run another goal seek, data, what if analysis, goal seek, change that to 250, and this time we're going to play with the cost of sales, and when I say OK, it runs through, finds an answer. In order to get to 250, we'll have to drop the cost of sales to 17.99%. If it cannot find an answer, it would then tell you it cannot find the answer.